How to turn off autoplay on YouTube homepage. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to turn off autoplay on YouTube homepage on the mobile app. But before I do that, if you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so when you open up the YouTube app on your mobile device, some of the videos will start to autoplay, which can be a bit annoying if you don't want to watch that video, or if you're running short on data. Watching a video automatically will start to use your data. So the way to turn this off is, of course, go into the YouTube app and then tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. On this menu, tap on Settings. On the next menu, tap on General. Under the General menu, tap on Playback in Feeds. And here you have three different options for playback in feeds. Always on, which will always autoplay the videos. Wi-Fi only, so if you want to only have this option on when you're connected to Wi-Fi, so it's not using up your data, you can click on that option. Or the last option is off, you can turn it off. So select the option that you want, and that's all it takes to turn off autoplay on the YouTube homepage in the mobile app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.